This ABC15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.
Hello, I'm Megan Thompson with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. An investigation continues this morning after a high-speed chase with troopers ended in a shooting. The pursuit started on the I-10 near 32nd Street Tuesday afternoon when a trooper spotted a car speeding. We now know that car was stolen. The chase spilling on and off the interstate before ending near 24th Street in Jefferson. That's when we're told the 56-year-old man jumped out of the car.
Shortly after that, the suspect produced a weapon, which was a firearm, a handgun, and an officer-involved shooting occurred.
The suspect was taken to the hospital but did not survive. DPS couldn't tell us how many troopers were involved and are still working to figure out if the suspect was hit by gunfire or turned the gun on himself. Preparations are now underway for Vice President Kamala Harris's visit to Arizona. She plans to make stops in Phoenix and the Gila River Indian community tomorrow. It is part of her tour to visit different infrastructure investments across the country. ABC 15 will bring you complete coverage from her visit. A reminder that there's a free mega clinic today at the Phoenix Convention Center. You'll be able to get dental care, vision care, and screening for minor surgeries for free. This is a 3-day event. Doors open at 7 a.m. Patients will be seen on a first-come, first-served basis. This summer, not just bringing extreme heat, but also mosquitoes. The CDC recently issuing a health advisory to protect yourself. But when it comes to all those bug sprays, which one works? A new study is giving us a better idea. John Matarese has a closer look.
Are you already getting sick of mosquito bites this year every time you step outside your home? Well, before you buy something, make sure you're buying a product that really works.
Nigel Davis struggles with mosquito bites and is always looking for ways to keep them away.
I just keep from putting on fragrances like lotion.
Emily Reynolds hates using sprays, so she keeps her yard mosquito-free with traps.
We've got 2 of them in our backyard, and we haven't really had a lot of problems.
But mosquitoes aren't just a nuisance. They spread bug-borne diseases such as Lyme and West Nile. More recently, though, the CDC has issued an alert about a handful of cases of malaria transmitted in the U.S. So to help you fight off the skeeters, Consumer Reports rallied some brave volunteers to put repellents to the test by exposing their arms to disease-free mosquitoes.
Not for the squeamish of heart.
CR's Catherine Roberts says products with DEET at levels of 25 to 30% provided the best protection against mosquitoes and ticks. The top-rated products lasted at least 5 hours, but she says your mileage may vary.
If you are swimming, if you're sweating a lot, those things can wear off.
We also asked Catherine about more natural alternatives for those who don't want DEET.
We recommend looking for either 30% oil of lemon eucalyptus or 20% picaridin.
Catherine says whichever products you choose, follow the instructions on the label. And for CR's full report, scan the QR code on your screen. Without protection, you may end up like Kevin Young.
I stay in the house.
You stay in the house?
Pretty much.
Unable to enjoy these long summer days. As always, don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.
Harkins is helping celebrate Disney's 100th anniversary by showing 8 classic Disney films for just $7. The fun kicks off on Friday with a showing of Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl. Other movies include Toy Story, Frozen, Beauty and the Beast, and The Lion King. You can get your tickets now at harkins.com.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. Temperatures are coming down just a little bit, but it is still going to be sizzling hot out there, with most valley cities topping out at 110 or higher. 112 for Gilbert and Chandler, also Phoenix, 111 today in Levine, and we'll end up just shy of 110 in spots like Glendale, Peoria, and also Deer Valley. Across the state, heating up temperatures in the 80s to 90s all across northern Arizona, near 100 today in spots like Sedona, Winslow, and also Kingman. Again, Phoenix hits 112 today. A very hot day with an excessive heat warning that remains in effect all the way through Friday. A reminder that heat is the #1 weather-related killer, so make sure that you're limiting your time outside, drinking plenty of water, and checking on kids, the elderly as well, making sure that they're staying safe as they could be the most sensitive. Heat alerts through the end of the week, and you'll notice the heat, it's not going anywhere. Highs will still continue to top out near 115 this weekend and even topping 115 early next week.
For the latest news, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or download the free ABC 15 mobile app.
This ABC15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.